All right. Eric Nagusky here again in Boiling Springs, Tulpehocken Creek Outfitters. Here with my friends from Ahrex Hooks. I'm going to do a old traditional pattern on this cool sneck bend hook that I really like. They're just going to do a basic gold-ribbed hare's ear wet fly, soft tackle. It's another pattern that's in my book, Favorite Flies for Pennsylvania. So let's go tie a fly here. I just have some 12-aught Veevus thread here, brown. I'm gonna wrap back to the bend. I have some ultra wire, size small. I like this fly. It's very relevant this time of year, basically when any caddis are around. Size 16 soft tackle hare's ear. It does a really good job of imitating, a caddis pupa swimming to the top. See a lot of tan ones around. So it's hard to go wrong tying this fly on at the truck right even before you walk down to the water. There's a good chance you might use it. Got a little bit of wax here on this thread, and I'm just gonna touch dub this hairs are sticking to my fingers. Really loosely. And I really don't want a lot of dubbing, a lot of fur on here. Have a little partridge feather here. Try and wrap it without breaking the stem here. There we go. Didn't break. Super effective, super simple, buggy. Hares are wet fly.